guys, happy Sunday. I am pretty much up early. I am dressed, my bed made, and I have friends on in the background. I'm after doing my TikTok challenges, so be sure to click over to Susan's journey to check them out. I think today we are going for a walk up in Glencree in Enniskerry. It's a forest walk. I used to go there all the time years ago. And then when I come back, I'll be washing my hair. I will be trying out this new thing from Jade. So I cannot wait to do that. Cannot wait. And then probably have some hot chocolate, chill out, got a movie. Well, I'm probably on movie date at this stage. I'll try and look for a new series to actually to watch, because I have no series to watch. I'm just kind of rewatching things, so I might try and find a new series to watch in the daytime. So I might do that. But yeah, I didn't vlog yesterday because I weren't doing anything at all. We were just sitting watching movies all day, literally. But yeah, so I was just playing a bit of Animal Crossing, and now I'm off it. So yeah, I do need to put clothes away. I am definitely going to go for a walk because I am dying to wear like my walking jacket and my coat and everything like that, but it looks like it's okay, so I think we are going to go for a walk. So yay. And of course I'll bring us along, don't you worry. But yeah, so I hope you all have a lovely day, a lovely Sunday as well with your families, and see you throughout the day. Hey guys, so I'm after just doing just literally my foundation just to help brighten my face up a bit so I don't look half dead. I'm actually starting to like wear makeup every day now, so I'm going to try my hardest to keep it up and keep it up with having my hair down, because I look so much better than it tied up and no makeup and stuff like that. So my brother and his girlfriend has gone over to Jade's house for her to get changed and get her get proper shoes and stuff like that, and then we'll be going for a walk up in Glencree, and I cannot wait, because I cannot wait to wear my new coat. Cannot wait. So yeah, we'll be going up to Glencree for a walk, and then probably we'll be coming back, having lunch. I'll be washing my hair, and then Jay's is going to help me basically because she has the exact same one, just a different make. Like, it's not Christina Aguilera, but it's the exact same one. So she's going to basically show me how it works, because if this wand is easier to curl my hair, that would be absolutely perfect. And the same again with straightening my hair. So yeah, but I think I sort of know how to do it. I kind of looked at it. I opened the box and everything and took everything out this morning, so I think I sort of know what to do, but she's going to double make sure that I know. So yeah, so I can't wait to go for a walk and then come back, have lunch, bit of hot chocolate. Just a perfect Sunday, literally the perfect Sunday. So yeah, so I literally cannot wait for it to walk, and I look so much better with makeup on. Even it's just the foundation, it just looks so much better because I don't look dead, basically. But yeah, basically the plan is to go for a walk, come back, probably have lunch, wash my hair. I'm only washing my hair and then I'll be taking a shower later. So I will, and then I'll be coming, and then I'll probably end up watching a movie or try and find a series. I need to put clothes away, and find other places for my new prezzies, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my Sunday, so I can't wait. I'm going to try and meet up with Jay during the week before New Year's. So yeah, can't wait. So yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. I only wanted to come up here and do this, pretty much. Jade got herself, no, Michael bought Jade a Fitbit watch so the two of us can be Fitbit besties, especially when we go for our walks, when we get back into our walks. I'll have my Fitbit, she'll have her Fitbit, and we will hit that 10k of steps quicker than anyone can say it, for definite. So yeah, I cannot wait. I'm gonna go downstairs and wait for Steve and Jay's to come back, and then we'll probably be heading. So yeah. Already. I'm gonna cook that. I'm just gonna have my hat on as well. You know, of course you do. The Christmas trees. We bought Millie. We did. So nice. It's starting to snow up here. So it is. But it won't stick because the ground's wet. So it is. Not doing the whole walk, we're just doing a tiny bit up the walk. But yeah, lovely walk, so it is. Absolutely lovely. I'm going to see how far we can go and look down and see if we can see anything or whatever. Taking a few photos, so you will have seen photos up on my Instagram on all of my pages / Facebook. And yeah, on the Christmas trees. I just sure I came here to grab a Christmas tree. But yeah.
See, I don't know how far it goes up.
It just keeps going, I think.
Yeah, I think it's quite
as long as you want.
Yeah.
Does it dry out up there? I think this seems to.
home, guys. Oh my god, we all got soaked. I'm gonna take off my makeup now and jump into the shower to wash my hair and everything. Hey, sorry I didn't video. It was Jay's that actually done the hair for me. But we reused it. And look at my hair now. It's so good. It actually straightened it pretty well. That's it. Ta-da. I just need to keep practicing on basically with it. So the next time when I wash my hair, I'll just sort of play around with it and stuff like that. And it should be better than anything. But yeah. Hey guys, so I have EastEnders coming on now in a few minutes. I have made myself some hot chocolate and I'm going to try some of these M&M's pretzels that I got from Mr. Candy. So yeah, just literally going to chill because I am absolutely wrecked, so I am. So yeah, after watching the Christmas Eve and Christmas Day EastEnders, and oh my god! So I have the sat basically last night's EastEnders on, so I'm going to watch that and then probably go down and see what's for dinner, what my mum and dad is doing for dinner, and yeah, I have my hair tied up just for a change. I don't know if you can see it. Just have it up in a ponytail for a change. I'll take it back down for tomorrow anyway. But yeah, just going to watch the last episode of EastEnders and then head downstairs. I have my fairy lights on. So cute. So yeah.
It's a ball and a circular beam. Get it all the way around, you will stand out here with £25,000. I'll be honest, I know my weak point. So this is not your game. It's not my part. What you want to do is bring you. I'm getting you. Great. If you get one problem, you will never solve it. Well, suddenly, it's you. And so it's all down to you. I think I'll be okay at it, as long as I just stay composed. Because the swap sounds like it's right out of the question. Yeah, I've got this. It only starts when you put the ball in the horseshoe, so you can have a feel, you can have a play, get a measure of it. What do you think?
It's heavy though. Take your time.
There is no rush.
Hey guys, it is bedtime. I am wrecked, as you can see. Literally bags under my eyes. So tired. Oh my god. I'm in my PJs and I'm out of bed. And I'm going to stick something on telly first and everything like that. And then tomorrow, I'm not vlogging tomorrow. taking the day off. I'm doing day on, day off and stuff like that. I'm going to try and do that to get as many vlogs up. Yeah, so tomorrow is just sort of like cleaning my room and eventually putting that big pile of clothes away and everything like that, and just sort the room out completely and everything like that. So yeah, and then we are going down to Kate's and my sister's tomorrow because my niece wants to show us what Mia wants to show us all of her presents that she got from Santa. So she was only able to bring up 1 or 2 from Santa the other day when they were up on Christmas Day. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. But yeah, basically to clean her room and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm off to bed now, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed this vlog, and if you have, please give me an old like, comment below, or basically to tell me how your Sunday went. Subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and see you all in the next vlog. Bye guys.